I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn reading test-taking strategies together, step by step. Welcome to our last lesson. On the digital SAT, every reading and writing item is one short passage with one question. So read the question first. Knowing what's asked lets you read the passage with a purpose instead of drifting. Then predict an answer in your own words before you look at the choices. A prediction protects you from clever traps. Wrong answers follow patterns, so learn to spot them. Extreme words like always, never, and only are usually too strong. Some choices are true but don't answer the question. Others are half right and half wrong. One bad word ruins them. And some bring in ideas outside the passage. Name the flaw, then eliminate. Crossing out wrong answers is as powerful as finding the right one. Let's eliminate. The text says some bats use echo to hunt at night. The question asks which choice the text supports. Choice A says all bats rely only on echo. Too extreme, the text said some. Choice B says bats are the best hunters, off-topic and unsupported. Choice C says certain bats locate prey by sound. Measured and backed by the text. C. Now, timing. You get roughly 71 seconds per question, so don't sink 3 minutes into one. If you're stuck, eliminate the two weakest choices. Make your best guess, flag it, and move on. There's no penalty for guessing, so never leave a blank. Bank the easy points first, and circle back to the hard ones. Pace beats panic. Here's everything in one plan. 1. Read the question before the passage. 2. Predict the answer in your own words. 3. Eliminate trap answers by naming their flaw. 4. Keep a steady pace and never leave a blank. You've now covered all 5 reading and writing skills, so practice these steps until they're second nature. You've got this. Good luck on test day. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.